Okay, so this is the continuation. We are now going to proceed with the branches of psychology. The first one is general psychology, which studies the underlying principles of human behavior. All of the topics in psychology is being discussed briefly in general psychology. Second, experimental psychology, which is actually based on pure research. Most of the experiments are being done in laboratories, in field, okay, which pertains to sensation, perception, learning, and thinking. We also have developmental psychology, which emphasizes the various stages of development from prenatal to old age or the senescent age. We also have comparative psychology or animal psychology, wherein the behavior of animal is being compared with the behavior of humans. In educational psychology, it deals with all the psychological problems that are being encountered in the field of education and how the educational process affects the student. Next, we have social psychology, which centers on all aspects of people, interpersonal behavior, and how they socialize or how they interact with other people. We also have industrial organizational psychology, which is also known as the psychology of the workplace. Okay, it is concerned with the employees' motivation, productivity, job satisfaction, and leadership. Next, we have environmental psychology, which is more on the relationship of people and the physical environment or nature. In personality psychology, we study a lot of theories on how to explain the personality of the person and how do these people have their individual differences when it comes to the character traits. Then we also have clinical psychology, which is involved in the application of clinical method of diagnosis and treatment to people who have different kinds of mental or psychological problem. In cognitive psychology, it focuses directly on the study of higher mental process like thinking, learning, reasoning, decision making, problem solving, language, and memory. Forensic psychology is the application of the legal issues in psychology, whether an accused person is mentally ill or competent to stand trial. Community psychology is concerned on the mental health of the community and social welfare. Health psychology is concerned with the relationship of psychological factors and the physical illness or disease. Counseling psychology, this is the field of psychology which is concerned with the normal problems of everyday living and guides individuals in their normal development. In engineering psychology, this is concerned with the development of man-machine system. For example, different machines or gadgets, which is actually related to the behavior of people. For example, lie detector test. Consumer psychology is the branch of psychology concerned with the buying habits of consumers and the effects of advertisement on people. And lastly, legal psychology, application of psychology to the legal proceedings.